De Leon, no good. Rebound by Siljan. Wala. Nako, parang mga ano to ang daming tulong. Dalawa pa wala. Si Wongka tsaka si Paulo. Miguel to Albert to Pascual. Okay, Steve nagmamadali. Angelo, no good. Nice pass. Kapos lang, pero nakakuha ni Pascual. Albert, 2 points. Magandang galawan nyo. Moving without a ball. Okay. Albert nang mamadali. Oy, hindi na-anticipate. Maganda sana. Titimbre ka. Hindi lang nagkaamuya, pero maganda naman. Canada. Nice pass. No good. Same ball. Josh to number 0. To Jerome. Nice, ang ganda. Josh, no good. Rebound by Mark. Wala pa rin. Two points, Siljan. 4-0. Wow! Parang Westbrook nga. Biglang bumilis. Oy, backcourt violation. Tumama sa paa mo eh. 4-2. Mark to number 0. Mark. 14 seconds. Angelo. Yun lang. Baba pa oras. Last 5 minutes. Miguel. Ang ganda ng pasa. Nice reverse by Justin. 6-2. Paalala ko lang may foul counted pero walang lane go. Santiago to Mark. Extra pass to Angelo. Oh! Grabe naman yun. Ankle break. Good. 10 seconds. Angelo. 8 seconds. Santiago. 2 points. 6-4. Grabe yun. Biglang bumibili si Angelo. Miguel. Good. Siljan, no good. Rebound by Santiago. To number 0, Angel Blanca. Oh! Good. Nice pass. Siljan, no good. Nanlalamig lang yata si Siljan. To Anthony. Mark, no good. Nice pass. Mark, good. Mark, no good. Rebound by Albert. Ang ganda naman doon. Sayang. Angelo. Oh! Malakas lang ng konti. Time remaining 3 minutes, 3 seconds. Siljan, nice drop. Oh! Sobra sa pasa. Santiago, ang ganda naman ng pasahan. 8 seconds. Mark, no good. Rebound by De Leon. Pasa mo na. Nice pass. Pascual. Hindi lumusot. Ang gaganda naman ng pasate itong parehong team na to. Hindi lang makakonvert. Siljan. Lumipad, Siljan. 2 points. Okay. Sayang na sobra ng bilis, hindi nilabas. Oh! Mark. Sinet ni Mark. Pinasa kay Angelo. Nice screen. To Santiago. Santiago, no good. Rebound by Pascual. Wow! Sayang yun. Oh! Oy! Maalat. Kung nadadaan sa bilis, kinakapos sila ng hangin. 2 minutes 8. 6 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds. Joshua, no good. Score 8-4. No good by Justine. No good by Santiago. Nakakuha ni Siljan. Last 37 seconds. Siljan to Miguel. Miguel, no good. Ang ganda ng depensa ni De Leon. No good. Sayang. 1 minute 10 seconds. Nice. Santiago. Last 58 seconds. 10 to shoot. No good. Forty seconds. 35 seconds. Nice pass. No good by Miguel. Siljan. 2 points. Last 24 seconds. Score 10-4. 10-6. 14 seconds. Good, walang tawag. Okay, labas, labas. 6 seconds, 6 seconds. 6.1 seconds remaining. Two seconds. And nakuha na yan. Pero not counted. Change court. Sino una nakakuha ng bola? Sila? Change court. Dito bola. Score 10-6. Grabe. Ang intense ng laban. Tama na yung ginagawa mo, De Leon. Goods na yun. Pagka-receive mo, bigay. Hanap ng pwesto. Inyo bola, inyo. Score 10-6. Maganda ang labanan. Pero mas marami ang turnover. 10-6. Josh to Santiago. No good. Rebound by Siljan. Mahaba pa, 7 minutes, 5 seconds. 3 points, Siljan. Okay, good, good. Rebound by Angelo. To Mark. No good. Nicely by De Leon. Pero better shot by Santiago. 8-13. Siljan. De Leon. De Leon. 3 points. 8-16. Nice. Oy, minuluwa. Same ball. Pasa pala yun. Sayang. Nice. Mark. 2 points. 10-16. Twelve seconds. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Good. Nawala. 2 seconds. And 10-19. Putik na yung pumasok pa. Oy! Ikot, ikot. 3 minutes, 50 seconds. Miguel. Tatry pa ng isa. De Leon. Stop. De Leon. Wala. Okay, rebound by De Leon. Siljan. No good. Rebound by Josh. Pinasa kay Canada. Mark. Santiago. No good. Rebound by Siljan. Two minutes, 50 seconds. 14 to shoot. Nice drop. De Leon. 3. 10-22. Mark. To Santiago. No good. Two points, Miguel. 10-24. 3 points. 13-24. 2 minutes, 5 seconds. 8 seconds. On, silang yan ang kaya pa. 1 minute, 42 seconds. No good by Angelo. Rebound by Mark. Mark, nice. 2 points, Mark. 15-24, Sham. 1 minute, 20 seconds. Blanca. Same ball, same ball. Okay, rebound by Josh. 1 minute, 7 seconds. Angelo, pull up. Angelo, no! Good, good, good. Last 55 seconds. Siljan, 2 points. 15-26. Last 43 seconds. Last 30 seconds. Good. 26 seconds. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Okay.